I'm going to use JSFiddle as I used for mockup and styling before. With one exception, I'm going to show you console. So console is the main part of each browser. In Chrome, you can just open it and click inspect element. You probably know this, but just in case for anybody who's just starting with this, I want to show you. Okay, we're going to write some code. First of all, I will copy this and enter it into JavaScript part of the JSFiddle. So first of all, we have people array, we have number of people string, and people number. If you want to work with JavaScript, you need to know what kind of types of data exist in JavaScript. So we have here, as I mentioned, we have array, string, and number. First thing that any job recruiter is going to ask you if the position is JavaScript developer is what is the difference between equation, double equation, and triple equation. Okay, it's just I see the error here. First thing, I'm going to enter a comment for this line of code, but if we have more than a line of code, let's say like this, we need to enter comments in this way. Okay, but I will erase it now. We don't need it. I will just enter simple if then else if else statement, and I will compare number of people with the people number. And as we can see, the first type is string and the second type is number. So if it's number of people equals people number, then the console log could say just simple yes. And if it's else statement, it will write no. Okay, I'll copy it, change it to no. And it says yes. But this equal sign doesn't mean that we're comparing number of people with people number. It means that we're assigning them as one and the same. So number of people is people number, but this is not correct. So we're getting a yes, but it's not the right value. We need a second equal sign, and then we're comparing values. And in this case, for JavaScript, it says yes, number of people is equal to people number. And that is a bad practice because we are comparing the string with the number. And when we enter the equal sign number 3, then we're comparing the value and the type of this variable. In essence, we're comparing if it's data type and if the value is the equal. So the answer will be no, of course. I'll change this first statement on number of people to people. And we can see here its answer is no here in the console. If I reduce it to 2 equal sign, it will still be no. But if I left only 1 equal sign, it will say yes. If I change it to 0, what do you think it will be there? It will be no. So it means it is not 0. So it means it has some value. And if it's 1, then it will say yes.